Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. We're going to talk about Clickbank real quick. One of the things that a lot of people don't know is, well, let me break this down right quick. You have a lot of programs out there that actually are public, and then you have some that are private, and a lot of people don't know about these private ones. Okay, it means that you cannot promote the particular program unless you're in the program. No one else can promote it unless they actually are, involved in the program. And the people that promote the program don't promote it like, everywhere. They might promote it to their secret list. They have a list that they collect emails from a paid traffic source, so that unless you're on this list, you'll never see this product. Okay, there's a lot of products like that. I would say there's actually more products in this category, which are the private products, than there are in the public. Public is like the ones you see promoted everywhere, like on YouTube, Facebook. Even a lot of blogs out there will promote this product. There's only like a handful, maybe, I don't know, 50 products or something like that stay really mainstream, meaning that they go viral. Everyone knows about them. Just think of a couple maybe in your mind. Everyone knows about them. It's all over YouTube. It's all over Facebook, Instagram. You see people blogging about it, making reviews about them. Okay, that type of thing. There's like, there's not many. I couldn't give you a number, but there's not many when compared to the private ones. The private ones are the ones, again, that unless you join, for example, unless you join Mike's list, you'll never see the product offered to you. You won't come on YouTube and find it, unless you know specifically what to look for, which is highly unlikely because you have to know the name of the product, even if you know the name, because sometimes they won't even say it. They won't say it until you actually get to the order page. Okay. Now, what's the point? With Clickbank, there are products like that. People who actually do not make their product public on Clickbank. They're all private. And so the only way you can really promote it is if someone has promoted it to you. And that way you came about knowing it, and then you joined it, and now you have the ability to promote it. But again, you only promote it to like your list. You don't promote it that publicly. And the reason why is because you're told, or you come to the conclusion, that the less people who know about it in public, the better it'll sell, because a lot of people have never really heard about it. Okay. See, what happens is when these products become really public and everyone knows about them, the problem with that is a lot of people can promote it without even joining, like without even paying. They can promote sometimes, and they become saturated. You see that all the time. And if there's, for example, if there is 20 marketers promoting the same product to this person, maybe he's on 3 people's list, he's getting all these same requests to join this particular product. And so he's going to usually end up joining with someone anyway, but a lot of times they make it turned off and they just don't want to be a part of it altogether. Now, if this person gets on this person's list and he never sees this product before ever, and he just sees it, that from this one guy, he may join it, and the list owner, he has no competition because there's nobody else promoting it. So this is why, I say stay with products that are not publicly promoted a lot. And even if they are, there's kind of ways around it, but I'm always kind of looking for those products where no one else promotes them, and that type of thing. Sometimes I jump on the bandwagon and get with everyone, but it usually ends up where, it goes up for a little while, everybody promotes it, and then it goes down, and everyone's seeing the product and nobody wants to join for whatever reason. It may be nothing's wrong with the product at all. They just don't want to join it because they've heard everyone's in it, and they know that they're going to have to join that huge cast of people who are now their competition. Like I said, there's ways around it, but, that's just the thing. So when it comes to Clickbank, okay, like the title says, this is the way to promote Clickbank. Promote products that are not publicly advertised a lot. They're private. Not too many people have heard of them. And you got to do some digging for that. But I have a particular product that will actually teach you how to make money with Clickbank. And a lot of people don't know about it. Really. Okay. And on top of that, I have a software, okay, that a lot of people don't know about. And it's not highly, promoted at all. But it can drive a lot of traffic. Social traffic, that free traffic I'm always talking about, to your pages. So the combination is this particular software. Okay, so traffic software. It's traffic software plus this Clickbank product. Okay, it equals money. Okay, because you can easily promote this product and you will get a lot of sales. You understand it? It works. It's a really powerful. It's a secret membership. Okay, it's a secret membership that teaches you how to make money with Clickbank. Okay, then what I'm offering is a traffic software that can actually help you drive people to this particular product, but you got to become a member. Once you become a member, you grab this traffic software and you promote the actual product that now you're a member of. Okay, it works out really well, really well. Okay, so again, following in my footsteps, using the softwares that I use, using the tactics I use, social media that I use, and then driving people to the memberships that I use. That's the way. It's really easy. You'll find a link below this video. I want you to get signed up today. I want you to check it out. Okay. Again, it's always in your best interest because these are the things that work online. All right. It's Mike on Internet Pro.